Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Take It Simple. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to change language on Remitly. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Remitly app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like Home, Recipients, Send, Rewards, and Manage. Tap on Manage. There you can see account details. Under account details, go ahead and tap on Settings. Now under Settings, the first option there is Language. Right beside Language, there will be default language, which is English. Tap on it. Then you're gonna have to select the language that you want to change this into, then tap on Confirm. And guys, that's it. That's how you change language on Remitly. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.